Let's say I have a family to whom I want to charge a rate that is based on their scheduled hours or perhaps their actual check-in and check-out times. To do that, I'd select a child and then go to the billing box. This is the place where the recurring fees and rates for this child are established. Inside the billing box, we have two choices here. Contract cycle, this would be a recurring, like weekly contract that was always the same amount. But in this case, I want to establish an hourly rate, or it could be something different, like a half-day, full-day rate, but something that requires a formula to determine what the charge will be. So I'm going to click on Billing Formulas here, and then we're going to go down to the bottom and add a new formula. We'll select who we want to charge the fees to. We can pick the mom, Vicki Harrison, as our main payer, or we could have part of it go to an agency if this was a subsidized family. For now, we're going to pick Vicki. And then we'll pick a description that would be charged. The child is in preschool, so we'll pick tuition preschool. Then we'll select a formula. Now, ProCare comes with a number of preset formulas for things like hourly rates, half-day, full-day rates, overtime, late pickups, those types of things. And you could even have a formula customized if need be. Here's one called hourly attendance. So this will allow me to charge an hourly rate based on the child's actual clock in and clock out time. So we're going to choose that. And then each formula has in it built in a fixed rate. So let's say that I know ahead of time the fixed rate for that formula is perhaps $4.50 an hour. If, though, I want to charge a different rate to this child, most of these formulas have what we call variables built in. Here's an hourly variable. So that basically means I could put a different value in here and charge something other than the standard hourly rate for this child. Let's say I wanted to bill this child for some reason $3.75, and I could put in a different value for this child. I also have a place I could put in a comment. You could put anything you want in the comment or really even leave it blank, but if you'd like it to be clear to the parent what rate they're being charged, you could put that rate up here as well. This is really just text that the parent would then see later on when you print out a statement, but we could put $3.75 an hour up there. Then we'll save it and we'll exit, and now we have a billing formula set up to charge the mom, Vicki, an hourly rate based on attendance, with a description of tuition preschool, and the comment the parent would see is $3.75 an hour. And that's all there is to it.